Hi, boys and girls. So we are here in week 1. You've accessed this overview video right here in the overview of the week under our math course. Since we had a pretty lengthy session this morning live and we've already introduced our math notebook, we've actually not included any assignments here under our Monday folder. So we're going to jump right into Tuesday to continue this overview of the week. When I click here to expand the Tuesday folder, guys, you can see there are directions for what you will be doing daily. So when I click here on Tuesday, you will see the student directions. So step 1, you're going to watch a video. It's introducing lines, rays, line segments, and angles. You will need your math notebook because you're going to take notes along with Mrs. Bransfield, who is another 4th grade teacher. After you watch that video and take those notes, then you're going to learn a little bit about logging on to our math interactive program online. So step 2 is to watch this login video. After you've watched that video, you have another video you're going to watch. How students complete and turn in work using the Practice Buddy online. A lot of you used that last year in 3rd grade. I know that my 4th graders last year used it and they found it pretty easy once they've learned how to log in and access those resources. Finally, on Tuesday, the last thing you're going to do is complete your first Practice Buddy for lesson 15-1, again, using those geometry terms that you talked about with Miss Bransfield. When we look at Wednesday, again, you will see the directions for what the work you're completing that day. You have 2 videos to watch. The first one is about types of lines, and Mrs. Connor is going to walk you through some notes. Again, you will need your math notebook. And then you have a short video to watch about the different types of lines. I've included in these directions, for some reason this video seems to be giving some students issues. If you're having any problems opening the video, on the actual screen that pops up, there will be a link that says watch this video on YouTube. You'll just need to click that link. Then you should be able to view it. And that wraps up Wednesday. Then we're going to move into Thursday. Again, you have the directions here. On Thursday, you're going to learn more about classifying triangles. So Mrs. Connor has a video. You will need your math notebook and a pencil, and she's going to walk you through and give you some very detailed notes on classifying triangles. Once you complete that, there is a study jam. Again, many students really enjoy this. The link looks slightly different. When you click here, it's going to take you right onto that study jam website to again practice with this interactive lesson on classifying triangles. Friday. You see a couple things here. Again, the directions. There's a video you're going to watch about angles. Now, you see this puzzle piece? This is a classwork activity. When you click here, you are going to be redirected to an activity where you will see 10 pictures that pop up. They are different angles, and you have to select the correct type of angle, identifying whether it's acute, right, or obtuse. This is probably a review for some of you from last year. And the final thing you're going to do, there's a PowerPoint here. It's titled Review PowerPoint. This is also explained further in the directions, but you will need a piece of notebook paper. You're going to number your notebook paper from 1 to 25. Those numbers correspond to the slides on this PowerPoint. You will view each question or each slide and respond on your sheet of notebook paper. You are identifying one of the geometry figures that is illustrated on the slide. Once you are finished, you are going to log into Microsoft Teams. A link will be provided here just below the PowerPoint, and I will be there live from 2:30 to about 2:45, and we'll go over and we will review those answers together. Let me know if you guys have any questions.